So we'll be talking about cloves. Do you know what cloves are? Have you heard about cloves before? Then if you don't, this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Nurse Vivian and I would like to share a very simple and yet effective means on how to relieve tooth pain. Yes, you heard me right, tooth pain. Yes, so we'll be talking about cloves. Do you know what cloves are? Have you heard about cloves before? Then if you don't, this video is for you. Cloves are brown, small spices. This is it. This is the pack. They might have different packs, but this is what I'm trying to talk about. I would also do well to attach a picture on this video. Yes, they are spices that people use to cook, but they are very effective in relieving tooth pain. So why are we talking about cloves? Why are using cloves to relieve tooth pain? Why? Because it can reduce pain, it fights germs, and it can also numb the area. Numb in the sense that you will not be able to feel any pain there. Yes, I'm talking about this way because I have experienced toothache, and that was why I had to research about natural home remedies that you can use to relieve tooth pain. I also asked around and I got to find out that clove is very effective. So how do I use this clove? Just take one piece of clove. This is what we're talking about, just one tiny piece. You can grind it with your teeth, the parts that you're not feeling the pain. Just put it in there, grind it very well, then use your tongue to push it down to where you feel the pain and just leave it there for 5 to 15 minutes. Once you leave it there, it's a bit hot, but trust me, it's very effective. Once you leave it there for 5 to 15 minutes, then rinse it out. One other method you can use to apply this clove to your tooth is to have much more quantity, just like this. Then you can put it in a mortar, or if you have a blender, just blend it into a paste or into a powder. Then you can save it. That is actually the method I prefer. Instead of grinding it with your teeth, just save it. Once you need it, just take a pinch. Just take a pinch with your finger, apply it to the tooth where it hurts, and then hold it there in your mouth for 5 to 15 minutes. It's as simple as that. Some people can also use clove oil. Yes, there's clove oil. It's basically the same method. But what you will do now is to apply 1 to 2 drops of clove oil on a cotton pad, then put it in that place where you feel the toothache and leave it for 5 to 15 minutes. Do not swallow, please. Do not swallow. Then you rinse your mouth. Do not leave it in your mouth for longer than that. Then you rinse it out. Trust me, this is very effective. But what you will know is that cloves help for a short time. It's not something that you can use for a long period of time. This does not replace any prescription that your doctor or your dentist will be giving you. Whatever prescription you are being given, because once they observe you, they are going to give you some medications. Please take your medications. This comes in handy when you are just at home and you don't know what to do. You can use cloves, but kindly seek the help of your doctor or your dentist. And what you should also be aware of, do not use for babies, please. This is not for babies. Make sure you wash your hands first. That place is already inflamed. There's an infection there. That's why your tooth is paining you. So kindly try to prevent more infection by washing your hands. If you know someone that always suffers from tooth pain, or that person is you, kindly rewatch this video, share this video, because you don't know who you might be helping. Have you used cloves before for tooth pain? Drop your comment down below and let me know.